Have you noticed how most men keep waiting for a feeling before they move? Waiting to feel motivated, waiting to feel confident, waiting for the right month, the right money, the right woman, the right mood. Then years disappear. They say they gather knowledge, that they are the perfectionists. You already know this. I can tell by the way your mind keeps running even when your body is tired. You've seen men talk for 10 years and build nothing. A Sigma notices this early. He goes quiet. He builds silently. But the Zeta becomes dangerous because he stops asking life for permission. That's the difference. For Zetas, the problem is irrelevant. The instinct comes first. Psychologist Edwin Locke discovered in Goal-Setting Theory 1968 that action tied to internal standards creates stronger persistence than external rewards. Most people move only when rewarded socially. You've seen it everywhere. Applause controls them more than principles do. This might sound crazy, but some men become sharper under pressure because their nervous system learned early that softness can cost survival. Studies on stress adaptation by Richard Dienspire in 1989 found that controlled exposure to difficulty can increase mental toughness over time. A Spartan commander once burned the retreat boats before battle. Brutal logic. No escape creates focus. Alphas seek the crowd first. Sigmas escape the crowd. Zetas walk through the crowd like a ghost. And here is the dangerous part. When a man no longer needs motivation, he becomes very hard to control. Here is what most men never understand. Money is not mathematics. Money is psychology wrapped in greed and dressed in discipline. The average person treats their bank account like a diary. Let me take you to a study from Stanford in 1972. Walter Mischel gave children a choice. 1 marshmallow now or 2 marshmallows later if they could wait alone in a room. Most children ate immediately. The ones who waited, they developed a neurological override. They learned to distract themselves, to turn their backs on immediate pleasure. That is the dopamine gap you must master. The space between impulse and action where most men lose everything. Here is the harsh truth you did not ask for but desperately need. If you cannot delay gratification for 6 months, you will remain a wage slave for 60 years. This might sound brutal, and it is. The Zeta does not run from brutal. He stares into it until the brutality blinks first. You build leverage over your own nervous system. That is the first and only real wealth hack. Control the impulse. Own the gap. The money will follow or it won't. Either way, you stop being a puppet. Do you know what exposes a man faster than anger or alcohol? Money. Watch how he spends after a stressful week. That is the real personality. Not the speeches, not the gym photos, not the grind set performance. Most men spend emotionally and explain it logically afterward. A new phone, expensive shoes, random subscriptions draining their account like tiny parasites. They call it rewarding themselves. What they are really buying is temporary anesthesia. Seneca warned about this long before modern banking existed. He understood that comfort becomes addictive when a man has no inner structure. The appetite grows while the mind weakens. You've probably felt this yourself. That strange urge to spend after rejection, boredom, or humiliation. Dopamine wants relief now. Your future pays the bill later. A Sigma learns this slowly through isolation and mistakes. Every careless purchase feels like giving pieces of himself away to strangers who do not care if he survives. This might look cold. Good. Because modern systems profit from impulsive men. Fast food, fast pleasure, fast debt, fast validation. Alphas often spend to display status. Betas spend to feel included. And the terrifying part is this. Once you control impulse, marketers lose half their power over your mind. Because they will sell even the sky if they could. We are halfway in it. Before we dive deeper, quick announcement here. I built an app. Simple, daily use. No tracking, no data collection. It's my first app, and I'd love for you to check it out. It's on Gumroad for just $2. Links in the description and pinned comment. Back to the story. Have you realized how exhausted you feel even on days when you did almost nothing? That exhaustion is not physical. Your attention got robbed. Modern men bleed focus all day without noticing it. Notifications, short videos, arguments with strangers, endless scrolling disguised as relaxation. A weak man loses money slowly. A distracted man loses his entire future without even feeling the theft. I saw this years ago in a crowded cafe. 5 men sitting together. Nobody speaking. all staring into glowing screens like obedient servants waiting for commands. Psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi discovered through flow theory 1975 that deep concentration creates fulfillment and high performance. Fragmented attention does the opposite. It increases anxiety, emotional instability, and mental fatigue. The brain starts craving novelty instead of mastery. This is why Zetas protect their attention aggressively, almost violently. For them, focus is currency. Silence is fuel. A Sigma disconnects quietly because he values peace. A Zeta disconnects because he understands something darker. Distracted populations become easier to manipulate politically, financially, even emotionally. Sun Tzu urged commanders to attack strategy before armies. Modern systems attack your concentration before your ambition. Same principle. Cleaner tools. This might sound paranoid. Tech companies openly study dopamine reinforcement loops. Sean Parker, former president of Facebook, admitted social platforms were designed to exploit psychological vulnerabilities. The slot machine never disappeared. It simply entered your pocket. A man who cannot control his attention eventually becomes owned by someone who can. Have you noticed how your expenses rise the moment you surround yourself with people who spend? Not because you want more things, but because you want to avoid the awkward silence when the bill arrives and everyone expects you to split it evenly. I see that flinch in you, that silent calculation, that resentment you swallow. Here is a pattern you were never taught to see. A study from the University of British Columbia in 2014 by researchers Mead and others found that simply reminding people of money made them less likely to ask for help and more socially withdrawn. The reverse is also true. Social pressure to maintain group harmony directly lowers your financial discipline. You buy rounds you did not want. You agree to trips you cannot afford. You laugh at jokes while your bank account silently bleeds. This is the personal stakes trap. You believe loyalty means financial alignment. It does not. The Zeta understands that most friendships are convenience contracts dressed in emotional language. Seneca wrote that the fool is he who measures his worth by the company he keeps rather than the ground he stands on alone. He was not being cruel. He was being accurate. This might sound bad, but hear it. You may need to let go of people who normalize your financial mediocrity. Not with drama, with quiet distance. The Alpha builds networks. The Sigma walks alone when needed. But you make the call. You do not announce your exit. You simply stop showing up to places where your wallet is the unspoken guest of honor. Solitude is not loneliness. Solitude is the factory where real wealth gets forged. Have you ever wondered why some men tolerate humiliation for years? Bad jobs, fake friendships, relationships that slowly drain their spirit. Most of the time, it is not weakness alone. It is debt. Debt changes a man's posture before it changes his bank account. You can see it in his eyes. He becomes careful with truth, careful with risk, careful with disagreement. His freedom starts shrinking long before the collector's call. A Sigma feels this pressure and retreats inward. He cuts expenses, isolates, survives quietly. But Zetas hate dependency almost instinctively. They would rather live lean than kneel comfortably. This is why many powerful systems encourage endless consumption early. Student loans, car payments, credit addiction, lifestyle inflation. Once a man builds chains around his own neck, control becomes effortless. Psychologist Eric Fromm wrote in Escape from Freedom 1941 that many people trade independence for security because uncertainty terrifies them more than submission. You see this everywhere now. Men sacrificing freedom for appearances they cannot even afford. This might sound harsh, but some men decorate their prisons proudly. Marcus Aurelius said a man should stand upright, not be held upright. Financial dependence quietly reverses that principle. Your choices stop being yours. Every decision begins passing through fear. A king once kept mercenaries loyal by paying them barely enough to survive. Hungry soldiers obey faster than free men. Modern systems refine that strategy. Alphas often borrow to maintain image. Betas borrow to imitate status. Sigmas borrow cautiously when strategy demands it. Zetas avoid unnecessary debt because they understand a brutal truth. The man who owes too much eventually belongs to whoever owns the leash. Have you noticed how dangerous men rarely announce themselves? Success needs secrecy. Here's where Illuminati myth came from. The loud millionaire image sold online is mostly bait for insecure minds. Flashy cars, forced dominance, designer addiction, performance masculinity. A costume built to trigger envy in men who still confuse appearance with power. Real wealth usually becomes quieter with age. Thomas Stanley discovered in The Millionaire Next Door that many wealthy people live far below their means because they understand attention attracts predators, expectations, and unnecessary obligations. A Sigma learns this after betrayal. A Zeta seems born understanding it. He knows visibility creates friction. The more people know, the more they calculate around you. Friends become opportunists. Family starts measuring your usefulness. Strangers project fantasies onto your life, so he stays controlled. This might look antisocial to weaker archetypes. Fine. Sheep fear what they cannot read. A Viking raider once covered his armor under dark cloth while traveling through enemy land. Modern men expose everything online instead. Relationships, plans, emotions. Then they wonder why peace disappears. Psychologist Leon Festinger discovered in Social Comparison Theory 1954 that people constantly measure themselves against others. Public success unintentionally creates resentment, imitation, or silent competition. Human envy did not disappear with civilization. It became civilized. Alphas display status to dominate socially. Sigmas stay private to protect peace. Zetas hide power because hidden leverage survives longer. And the older you get, the more one truth becomes obvious. Privacy is no longer secrecy. Privacy is self-defense. This is the end of this video. I know it was a short one. I recently got demonetized for inauthentic content. No worries though, it will come back eventually. Being able to talk about these controversial topics gives me pleasure. Who knows, maybe I am a Zeta. I can proudly say I am the one who discovered this character.